Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Grace and this is day 4 of my week in the life as a content creator series. It is Thursday and I'm really excited for today. I am going to do something really cool that I've never done before and go with one of my really good friends who is also a creator to a photo shoot. She is the photographer and so I get to see kind of the behind the scenes of that. And then we're gonna go have a day at Universal. We're gonna go make some content over there, which I didn't think I was gonna be able to do this week, so I'm excited to take you along to one of my days at a different theme park that isn't Disney. I hope that you guys are excited for another fun day. I'm hoping that I'm going to get to talk to Alia, who is a much more experienced creator, about any tips she has for you guys, which is probably going to be way more beneficial coming from her than any things that I've said thus far. I'm excited about that. I went ahead and got dressed because I need to leave here about 2 minutes ago. We are going to head to Universal now, where she's going to pick me up, so see you guys there. Okay friends, this is my friend Alia.
Hey!
And we just finished doing a shoot downtown. She let me tag along and kind of see how that whole process worked, which was really awesome. I learned a lot. But Alia is an amazing content creator, and if you're not following her already, you definitely should be, because she takes amazing photos and is amazing in front of the camera as well with all of her concepts. But I asked her if she wouldn't mind sharing a tip she had for any aspiring creators.
Yeah, so for all of you starting out, congratulations. You're already putting yourself out there, so that's 1, a major step. 2, we all get frustrated with ourselves, me being 100% all the time whenever I think of an idea and it doesn't really come out the way I picture it. I always get frustrated and I get put down a little bit, saying like, oh, I can't really do that. But a good thing that I always remember is if it doesn't turn out the way you want it to, there's always another day. The lighting is not always perfect that day. The outfit changes, your hair doesn't look the way you want it to, but we always have to think, if it doesn't work out today, we can try it again later. It's easy to delete a picture and it's easy to retake a picture. Just takes a couple snaps.
That's so true.
Yeah.
So if someone feels like they've kind of been on the track for a little bit, like they've got an Instagram page and they've been creating one way, but they want to take it seriously, they want to like rebrand themselves, so to speak. Have you ever had any experience with that before?
Yeah, so when I first started, I started doing 100% Disney and theme parks because we're in Orlando and that's all what we're surrounded by.
That, yeah.
But I wanted to take it up to the next level because I had so many creative ideas inside me that weren't necessarily theme park style, but also things that can be created with like colorful things or props that I find around. I love going to Goodwill and finding random things that you can put in a picture to bring it up to the next level of creativity. So I highly suggest thrift shopping for anything that you want to like look for but don't want to pay a lot of money for as well. There's a bunch of Goodwills around the Orlando area, and there's a bunch of like mom and pop thrift stores as well that I suggest looking into, because even if you're looking for a boa to put around and like put it in front of the camera, or a suit to do like a business snap, it always has a budget. And also to understand, like, I can really be a content creator and bring the creativity without paying thousands of dollars for a skirt.
That's really true. Do you have anything else you want to say too?
I wish you all good luck. Honestly, there's no specific type of person that can do this. It's not just people that live in Orlando. It's not people that live in a creative area. Like, you can go outside in your backyard and put up a sheet and do creative things with it. Always go on Pinterest and create mood boards. I love mood boards. You know what you're going to go into, you know what your idea is, and you also know the colors that you need, so you can plan ahead for, like, if it's storming outside, obviously the colorful colors aren't gonna be what's gonna be great that day.
Yeah.
But if you're going more of like a moody tone, maybe look for that type of when you're gonna shoot, so you can create that mood board that you've been inspired by on Pinterest or other creators as well.
Yeah. And she brought up a really good point, other creators. I know I touched on this in another video, but always look at other creators, because we were having this conversation last night that we get so excited when other people are like, oh, I was inspired by you.
Oh,
and
it's the best.
Never be afraid to look at someone else's work and want to imitate it, but always give credit to the creators.
Please give credit.
Always give credit, no matter the size or the size of the creator, especially smaller creators, because, you know, they were all in your shoes once and you're gonna be in their shoes, you know, like we all just want to help each other and encourage creativity. It's not about numbers, it's about encouraging a community, I think.
And we also know that everyone puts so much hard work in creating an idea, and each idea is special to you. Could be have a specific meaning or a deep connection to something behind the scenes as well. So you never know how much effort or how much thought goes into an idea. So always give credit, because I myself love when you guys are like, oh my god, I was inspired by you and I did this, and I'd be like, well, that's awesome. Like, I'm glad I touched somebody else that I may not come in contact to like on a daily basis, but like somewhere else have seen the work and it's done something.
Absolutely. All right, well, we're gonna head into Universal and go have some fun, and so I'll see you guys in a bit. So we're in Universal. I got these socks for my outfit because I am a merch show, and I got this mask to match my outfit because I'm a merch show. But we're about to take pics in Diagon Alley, and I'm really excited. So the pictures that we took, or that Alia took, were so good. I'm gonna show a couple of them while I'm talking.
The lighting was pretty good.
Because the lighting was so cool, and she used this like crystal thing.
It's like a reflector.
Y'all, I mean, when I say I'm shook, like, these pictures are so cool. All that to say, any setting can be a great spot for pictures, even a theme park, even Diagon Alley and all that it is. There were so many people there. A brick wall. There were so many people, but you would never know. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you all these because they're freaking awesome. I have a new friend in the park now.
Me.
Wesley. We're gonna go take a couple of pictures in Hogsmeade, and then we're gonna head and do Hagrid's because he literally came here after work so we could ride Hagrid's. So I'm excited to take him there for the first time. I'm wearing my second outfit of the day. This shirt is from the Common Room Co. It is Ravenclaw themed, of course. And I did change my mask because I wanted to change up my look. I'm wearing the same skirt. Made it easier. So I'm excited to take these pics too, and I'll see you guys in Hogsmeade.
Oh, you know, vets.
How's your drink?
I'm trying to think of a Harry Potter saying. I can't. Jolly good.
Jolly good. Oh, look how cute that mask sweat is. We're keeping others safe, so we love to see it.
Right.
I love butterbeer so much.
Oh.
Ew. I love sweet things only. Tomorrow's vlog is literally, my whole creative outlet is gonna be the vlog. Like, that's my main thing I'm focusing on. So you're gonna get a full standard SG park vlog, which I'm really excited about. This is the fun part. I keep saying like little things like it's all fun, but you know, when you're here and you're like, this is what I do. I come to theme parks and I take pictures. I go to other places, but I'm like, I'm at a theme park, taking pictures, having butterbeer. It's the best. Cheers. Yeah, the vibes are unmatched. Holy cow! We're going on Hagrid's. We rode Hagrid's and got our pictures. The sweet security guard who let us take pictures even though that area was definitely closed off. Thank you so much. I know you probably won't watch this, but
She might.
she might. Dude, Hagrid's was the coolest attraction next to Rise of the Resistance that I've ever done before in my entire life. Thoughts?
You know, it was really an out-of-body experience. I feel
Wesley was like, my legs were shaking afterwards. That was bizarre.
Man, it was. I love Harry Potter, and so like.
Wow, he said it on yo, he's nerding out on camera.
Oh, dude, I'll nerd out for Harry Potter any day of the week.
It was really cool. We really enjoyed it. We're headed out of the parks now. We're gonna go home. I'm gonna edit a lot. I've gotta edit some pictures, and I gotta edit some videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get home. Alright guys, I'm back home from Universal. I have showered, so I feel so much better. Obviously that's the thing, like right now with always with going to theme parks, like right now especially, as soon as I get home, I think I said this in the other vlog too, like literally the first thing I want to do is like get showered and clean. But I was looking back through the pictures from the photo shoot this morning, and one of the things that I want to reiterate that Alia said in our interview today, and like my last creator tip before I close out today's video, is that anywhere you are, you can make a cool spot. All you have to do is think about it, if that makes sense. I feel like personally I've come such a long way with being a creator and being like an influencer with how I take my shots. Before I was so exclusively like, oh, it's got to be in a theme park or it's got to be these things, and instead of like taking a look at my surroundings and really making something out of where I am. I think that that's where a lot of people tend to get in a box. People get so worried about sticking to their box and they're so afraid to get outside of it, try new things, and that's where you're gonna see the most success and this growth, is like when you step outside of the box and create things that you want to create and things that you're passionate about doing. For my Instagram today, I posted a quote, and I just think that it's really important, and I want to talk about it here too. I said actually Luna Lovegood said this. She said being different isn't a bad thing, it just means you were brave enough to be yourself. And I think as creators, like it's really important to remember that you are creative, you have in your power the ability to make amazing things, and don't let not being at the theme parks, don't let yourself be your biggest roadblock. We went today and I watched Alia take 3 girls and create just this beautiful, beautiful shoot underneath a bridge. There was trucks in the background, there was like all this construction going on, and like the pictures turned out beautifully. And so I think all it takes is an ounce of creativity and, you know, getting outside of your comfort zone, getting outside of the box, looking at what's around you. Are there cool textures you can use? Is there like a pop of color you can use? Taking something in your mind, really running with it. And I think so many people get so worried of, oh my gosh, like what if this doesn't get as many likes? You know, people can tell when you're making stuff that you love. That shines through more than anything. As we're starting to get towards the end of the series, I hope that's one thing you take away. Create stuff that you love and create what makes you happy, because at the end of the day, that's what matters. And you know, whether you are doing this for fun or you want to make a career out of this, that's what's going to make this sustainable, is finding joy in it. And also during quarantine, that taught me so much about the fact like I don't have to be in a certain spot to make my page pop or to make cool, awesome content that other people like. All I have to do is take what's around me. And I hope that this has been a helpful one today. I think it was great that we were able to get another perspective from Alia, who's obviously a very experienced creator. If you're not following her photography page, you should definitely do so. I'll put their links in the description. I hope that you guys have had a sunshiny day. Once again, if you are not following me on social media, be sure to do so. I am the SunnySG on Instagram and on TikTok. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the park. So we're going to Animal Kingdom. Tomorrow is going to be a park vlog because the content I am making is for YouTube. So I'm going to give some more in-park creative tips tomorrow, just because I will be in the park all day. So different photo spots, which is one of the things I really like. So I'll be like, oh yeah, this is a great spot for photos. So if you're looking for good photo spots in the parks, I got you. I hope this vlog was helpful, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support in this series, and I'll see you tomorrow.